What are the tax advantages of life insurance? While the main tax advantage of life insurance is that the benefit paid is non-taxable, there are other benefits to both permanent and term life insurance. For example, a permanent life insurance policy has a cash value component that allows you to accrue savings without being subject to tax. You should consult your tax advisors for your specific situation. Tax-deferred growth. With a permanent life insurance policy, any interest or growth in the cash value of your policy is not taxed until it is withdrawn. When funds are withdrawn, the funds are taxed as normal income. Tax-free dividends. Some permanent life insurance policies pay dividends as if you were a shareholder in the insurance company. Dividends paid from your life insurance policy are tax-free. Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.